Good afternoon, everyone. So this is my third exercises in section 6.8 logarithmic and exponential functions revisited number 63. So the given here is the integral of 3 raised to the power of ln x divided by x dx from 1 to 2e. So in step 1, we use the u substitution. Let u is equals to ln x. Taking the derivative of both sides gives du is equals to 1 over x dx. So in step 2, change the limits of integration. When performing u substitution on a definite integral, you must change the limits. Lower limit, if x is equals to 1, then u is equals to natural logarithm 1 is equals to 0. The upper limit, if x is equals to 2e, then u is equals to natural logarithm 2e is equals to natural logarithm 2 plus natural logarithm e is equals to natural logarithm 2 plus 1. So in step 3, evaluate the new integral. Substitute u du and the new limits into the integral. The integral of 3 raised to the power of u du from 0 to ln 2 plus 1 using the integration rule. The integral of a raised to the power of u du is equals to a raised to the power of u divided by ln a plus c. So 3u divided by ln 3 from 0 to ln 2 plus 1. We have we have to substitute first the upper and lower limits. We have 3 ln 2 plus 1 divided by ln 3 minus 3 raised to the power of 0 divided by ln 3. We have the final answer of 3 raised to the power of ln 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by ln 3. So that is the final answer. And thank you for listening. That's all po.